What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam. This is Vancity Audi, and it's about freaking time we find out what iRose's 750HS kit is capable of in the quarter mile. If you guys are familiar to the channel, you know that this exact car and the owner, Malia, joined me at Racing Greed, and we saw how much power it made on the dyno. But on this channel, we don't really care about dyno results. We want to see what it can do in the quarter mile. So I'm going to have Malia join me. We'll chat a bit, catch up with her, then we'll get to some drag racing. So here we are with Malia. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having me. An entire
summer has passed. We haven't seen what this beautiful black beast can do in the quarter mile. What has taken you so long?
I had a great summer. I enjoyed it with my family. We did a lot of traveling.
Okay.
Kind of took me away from the track a bit. And I know Mission can be quite strict with their guidelines as far as how fast you need to go. And I've been wanting to get under 10s for so long.
You have.
So today I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna license and run at the same time.
Beautiful. So we'll finally get you a license. We'll finally get you a 9-second pass. That's the goal. All right, that's the goal today, guys. We'll take a look at the car quickly. I'll go over some of the specs and we'll get to drag racing. So now we're gonna go over some of the mods that Malia has done because it's not really extensive, but we're hoping for some incredible performance today out of this kit. So obviously starting with the turbo, it is iRose Motorsports or the IMS 750HS Hybrid Turbo. We also have a 4-inch UNITRONIC turbo inlet, which leads into iRose Motorsports 5-inch intake. It's a beast, gargantuan in size, if you will. You have Race 3's 4.5-inch thick intercooler, lots of cooling for this setup. You also have iRose Motorsports downpipe and midpipe. That's their catless setup, what I used to run on my RS3. They're also utilizing the Cyvex all-wheel drive controller, plus 18-inch 245 40/18 drag radials, those Hoosiers, which we hope put down all the power to the ground today. So Malia, we're about to get out here and see what this thing can do. What did your car manage when it had a stock turbo?
I did a 10 at 135.
A 10.0 at 135, right, which is still incredible results for a stock turbo. Now you have this awesome turbo system, which I think I ran a 10.1 in Vegas. I ripped a 10.2 at 137, and that was in crazy heat. You have incredible conditions here today. What are your, we'll say, goals, your expectations for today?
Honestly, I would be so stoked if I could just get a 9.7.
9.7?
So happy.
We will see if that's possible. We hope we can put that power down. Let's let you get to racing. A 9.6 at 146 miles an hour with a completely stock motor and a stock transmission. How in the hell? Happy with it?
So happy.
Did you think it had anything better in it by the time you were done today?
You know, honestly, my 60 foots were garbage. They are usually much better.
Okay.
So I think there's definitely more in it.
Yeah. Just with a little bit better grip off launch.
Yes.
Like when you were before all of this, what were you hitting for your 60 foots? Probably like a high 1.4?
1.45.
1.45. And
was
today,
my, like, constant.
where were you at today?
1.53, 1.56,
Okay,
1.57.
so the prep I did here today from a couple of the racers who were here at a private track rental, it wasn't quite as good today. So with that said, you take it down from a mid 1.5 to a 1.4 whatever with this, that could possibly have a 9.5 in it.
I think so.
Fair to say? All right,
so.
Possible a 9.5. Maybe next year you'll come back out and try it again.
Absolutely.
Awesome, all right. 9.6 at 146 in awesome air, great low temp, great low DA, a lightweight driver mod, and an awesome performing UNITRONIC tuned IMS750HS Turbo. Thank you guys all so very, very much for watching, and until next time, take care.